Hey guys, welcome back. Hope you had a good weekend. It's June 9th, Monday. Gonna review the 0-day options I took today on SPY with a small account challenge. Thanks for being here. Hope you had a good weekend. Monday, no surprise. Monday, no fun day. Chop. Oh, it's Happy Money Monday, actually. Happy Money Monday, that's right. Just tight range of chop. Eric, SPY Day Trading, his 30-minute chart. We did break out of the green here, but just had no continuation. Now we're just in this large upward channel that's just disgusting. So, yeah, that's kind of where we're at, and big range. But today was a tight range. This was a whole inside. Yeah, the whole day was inside yesterday. So, let's see, 598 to 601 is the very far reaches of the range. I didn't make it quite in the morning. Showed up like here. Yeah, right about here. I didn't really use the shorter term time frame to chart today. And yeah, I don't know. We'll see. I kind of glanced at it and I was pretty comfortable with the 1 minute I was looking, so I could see stuff. Got the white one going in here pretty quickly, and then let's see, what else did I throw in early on? I think this purple one, yeah, the purple one I put in early on from this being the resistance. And yeah, we'll just show you the trade. It is a red day for me. Small account challenge. Like, it's tough. It is really tough. Yeah. So today was not like an easy day to trade either. It was a small range, not really hardly any moves. So don't feel too bad, but I got puts at 1050. Yeah, so white line was support, had a nice shoulder down here, and let's see, wait, what? Oh, yeah, really? It's so weird reviewing sometimes. You think you took trades where you totally didn't. Yeah, that's the thing with the small account. Like, since I'm only thinking it's one trade, I'm like not taking those risky entries that are right at my stops. Oh, that's so annoying. Let me see. I think I did this on the bigger account actually, that first trade, because I was like, you know, close to my stops. I'm like, if it's right there, it'll stop me out. I'm done. Or it's no problem. I have plenty of power to trade more. Let me see if I did this on the big one. 1026 I got puts. Yeah. Okay. 1020. Oh yeah, that's right. Okay. But I want to review this one up until my small account one. 1026. So yeah, broke this white one. Had a little shoulder here. Didn't quite complete the cup. That's what I was thinking at least. And so I got puts on this green candle. And this ended up just being a shoulder for the head up here. So that stopped me out. I actually closed one for a profit at 1028 on this candle. Yeah, I think I was just reducing risk at that point because I saw it was chopping around, building liquidity like it does. And then this green candle I stopped out on. So manual stop, I didn't force it. And just retested this prior support and made a nice head there. Volume was low this morning, range was tight, it was choppy. And then it came down, and then I'm looking for it to grab this shoulder again, even though it had completed the cup, for just a mutual trade, a retracement trade. So maybe for a handle, or if this is really a head for a shoulder that has legs to go down further. On the 30-minute, it would be a pretty big move, but not banking on any of that stuff. Just getting in a position, get some exposure. Let's see where to enter this one. 1038, I got puts on this one. So yeah, I was right here on this red candle. I guess I was a little late on it. Yeah, could have waited for a green candle. Would have been better on that 1039. I did hold through those. I was impatient on this one though. Yep. After I got stopped out here, I was too impatient on this one. So I sold my first one for break even at 1039. Yeah, on this green candle, probably when it was down here, I was just like, me. Yeah, I was just impatient. then sold the next one for 10-cent loss at 10.43. Wow. Oh yeah, I got a really bad fill on the entry. So right here, when this was green, all right, this green channel right here, I believe I already had a chart in. It was here. This was a full green candle all the way up here. I didn't wait for that to close, and that was where that impatience came in. I know to wait, but sometimes you don't want to wait, so that's where it's tricky. It looked like volume, looked like it was going to rally, looked like the handle was over. And so yeah, I closed and then it wicked down. That was kind of unfortunate. Then I was only left with one, which much easier for me just to hold one. And that one I closed on this candle, so a VWAP. So happy with that. It was a green trade. Could have executed it much better, but had the right idea. Just had some impatient closes, and my entry wasn't. My entry was a little impatient because I went for a green or any kind of retrace, and then so were my exits. Yeah, yep, that was pretty much that one. And then I think I did the small account one. Let me see, 1107. Yeah. So then I had the one for the small account, 1050. So it's coming down here, and then kind of my final support was this gold one, and so this was a retracement trade up here, get an entry there, trying to be close to a head. This is more of a breakout continuation trade, and they're sketchier. But yeah, so I got it on this candle somewhere. And then held those till 11 actually. Held through all this chop. You know, it's one trade, so I'm like, you know, this could just be building more shoulder here before it comes down. Then I'm like, well, it's probably gonna make a little mini head and shoulder now. Now that it has all this liquidity and it wasn't enough to dump it. So that was going through my head, and then it broke, I guess it's purple. Yeah, kind of grabbed back up here and broke the purple, so that's where I closed it. So happy with that close, that's fine. If it did end up coming down, I would have, if it grabbed the shoulder better, I would have gotten puts on the bigger count. And actually I might have. Let me see here. 144, I was into calls. Yeah, so that's the small account again. All right. I'm not gonna review all the big account trades. I had a few trades in here. I think I got puts here. Closed. Yeah, a little profit on puts. All the moves today were small, so you just had to be decisive with profits, which you should always be, and then just, you know, quick on your stop losses. I'm not going for home runs. Yeah, let's see. I did take this. I think I did end up grabbing that one. That little move, and then I missed this inverse head and shoulders. This was just an ugly choppy range still. I was waiting for volume, and it didn't end up giving volume, but it did break out. And then after it was already kind of broken out, then the volume came in, and then that's when it's over. So very trappy, choppy, grindy liquidity build day. Small account, let me see. Second trade is at 144. I basically had no buying power left. So these were pretty far out of the money. I was able to get 4 of them. Yeah, if we had a move, it would have been sick, but no move. 144. So inverse head and shoulders up here, and I'm getting it on this candle. So basically it was here. I got at the very beginning of that one, confirming after that candle closed above my purple, which was liquidity build to me for the upside. And it worked. This was a green mid-cents. This gold line wasn't here at that point. I didn't know about this tapering channel. It hadn't shown itself to me yet. So had it here. If there was a continuation, if there was volume, it probably would have rallied, but didn't really happen. I ended up holding through pretty much all of this. Let's 237, and then 243. So yeah, closed 2 of them right here when it broke this gold. I mean, they'd already decayed like 35%. These are pretty far out of the money. Small position though, so that's why I was more willing to hold through all that. And then 243, I closed my last one, which was on that green candle. Yep, which really would have been a nice little entry for longs, and that's why I didn't catch the longs there. So after I had drawn this gold channel, it made a nice bounce. I had this at that low right there. You saw it made a nice bounce there on the bottom of that channel. Yes, it's in a channel, it's wedging, but this late in the day, this is pretty nice profit. So breaking the steepest green channel here, getting it for another bounce on support. You have a clear stop entry or stop right there, and profit targets are high of day and then top of the channel. So I don't think I took that on long account. Maybe I did actually. Maybe I took that on the. I took one of these bounces, and that's the last one. So yeah, I must have taken that on the big account. Don't need to review it. Not a nice day. Today upset me a bit. It's gotta just chill out. Market doesn't owe me anything. Gotta be patient. Wait for the good days. You just gotta survive all the choppy waters and wait for that perfect wave coming in to catch. Can't be trying to paddle at everything. Thanks for watching, guys. Sub up, like up, comment down. Happy money sticks around. We'll see you tomorrow. Peace out.